In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profit on Etoro without closing the entire position. By the end, you'll know how to lock in gains or reduce risk while keeping a portion of your trade open, all in a few quick taps. First, open your portfolio and select the specific trade you want to take profit on. This takes you to the trade's detail view, where you can see its current price, your entry, and how it's performing. Take a second to make sure you're on the right asset and position size so you don't make changes to the wrong trade. This page is your command center for managing the position. If you want the entire position to close automatically when your target price is reached, use the Take Profit option. Tap Take Profit and enter the exact price level where you want the trade to close. Think of this as a safety net for profits. When the market touches that price, the platform will close the full position for you. It's helpful to choose a realistic level based on your plan, and remember that price movements and spreads can affect execution. Once you set it, review the number carefully, then save it so it's active. If you prefer to take profit on only part of your position, you'll use a partial close instead. Tap close, then choose partial close. Here, you'll enter how much you want to sell. You can specify this either as an amount in your account currency or as a number of units of the asset, depending on what's shown. This is a great way to secure some gains while keeping the rest of the trade open to capture further upside. Double check the figure you enter so you don't accidentally close more than intended. Finally, confirm the partial close. The selected portion will be sold at the current market price, and the realized profit from that portion will move to your available balance. The remaining part of the position stays open, so you continue to have exposure to the asset. After the partial close, it's a good idea to glance at your remaining position's parameters to ensure everything still aligns with your strategy. That's all there is to it. Opening the trade from your portfolio, setting a full take profit if you want an automatic exit, or choosing a partial close to bank some profits while staying in the trade gives you flexible control. Use these tools to manage risk, secure gains, and trade with confidence without shutting down your entire position.